All right, let's get real for a second. If you've ever walked into your home and been greeted by that funky, musty smell, or you've noticed your windows sweating, or your skin feeling sticky, there's a good chance your humidity's out of whack. And that's where a dehumidifier steps in to save the day. So why bother with a dehumidifier at all? Well, first off, high humidity isn't just uncomfortable. It's a magnet for all the things you don't want in your home. I'm talking mold, mildew, dust mites, even peeling paint and warped wood. Oh, right? When the air's too damp, it can seriously mess with your health and your house. Mold and dust mites love humidity, and they're a nightmare if you've got allergies or asthma. Now, a lot of folks think, if I stick a dehumidifier in my living room, it'll handle the whole house. Bless your heart, that's wishful thinking. Here's the truth. A dehumidifier only pulls water from the air in the room it's in. Keep doors open for better coverage, but if you've got a big house or several closed-off rooms, you'll need more than one unit, or invest in a whole house system. But why is this so important? Lowering humidity not only makes the air feel fresher and lighter, it helps keep your family healthier. Plus, a dehumidifier protects your stuff: floors, furniture, books, and even your electronics. Let's say the number on your dehumidifier turns red and jumps over 70. That means your room is at 70% relative humidity or higher, which is way too much. At that level, you're just asking for trouble. Think mold, musty odors, and all-around discomfort. Ideally, you want to keep things between 30 and 50%. If you've got several problem areas, like a damp basement, a humid bathroom, and a sticky bedroom, running multiple dehumidifiers makes sense. Just don't go overboard. Keep an eye on each room's humidity with a cheap hygrometer. Aim for 45 to 50%, and look for energy-efficient models to keep your power bill in check. So, if you want a home that's comfy, protects your belongings, and actually feels good to breathe in, don't sleep on the power of a good dehumidifier. Your nose, your skin, and your whole family will thank you. Keep doors open where you can. Use hygrometers to monitor rooms, aim for mid-40s humidity, and use extra units only where needed. A little attention goes a long way, and your home will feel nicer, look better, and stay healthier. If you see red over 70, act. Check the tank, close windows, boost airflow, or add capacity. These simple steps can stop mold before it starts. Your home, your health, a drier home is a happier home.